Hello everyone. Today the first question is Ram sold a radio for rupees 210, thus making a profit of half of his CP. Then find the CP of radio. Then find the CP of radio. Then Ram sold a radio. Ram sold a radio for rupees 210. And make a profit half of his CP. Half of his CP. We don't know about the CP. So first of all, we take let the CP of radio is equal to rupees 100. So first of all, we take the CP of radio is equal to rupees 100. राम एक रेडियो को बेचकर उससे प्रॉफिट क्या हुआ ना, उससे प्रॉफिट हुआ हाफ ऑफ हिज सीपी. देन यहाँ पर सीपी ऑफ रेडियो इज इक्वल टू रुपीज 100. देन प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ सीपी. दैट half of 100 is equal to rupees 50. Then the profit is equal to rupees 50. Then SP is equal to CP plus profit. So 100 plus 50 is equal to rupees 150. Rupees 150. Then when SP is rupees 150, then CP is 100. Then CP is 100. Then when SP is rupees 150, then CP is equal to rupees 100. Rupees 100. Then when SP is rupee 1, then CP is 100 divided by 150. But in question the SP of radio. But in the question SP of radio is equal to rupees 210. So when SP is rupees 210, then CP is 100 divided by 150 into 210 equal to rupees 140. Rupees 140. Then the CP of radio is rupees 140. CP of radio rupees 140. Then first of all, in this question, Ram sold a radio for rupees 210, and after sold, he make a profit of half of his CP. Half of his CP. Then we don't know about the CP of radio. So first of all, we take let the CP of radio is equal to rupees 100. Let the CP of radio is equal to rupees 100, and then profit is equal to half of his CP. Here CP is 100, so we take the half of CP. Then half of 100 is equal to rupees 50. Is equal to rupees 50. Then we find the selling price. The selling price, the formula is CP plus profit. Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Then 100 plus 50 is equal to rupees 150. Then SP is equal to rupees 150. When SP is 150, CP is 100. CP is 100. But in question, SP is 210. Then when SP is 210, then the CP of radio is equal to 100 plus divided by 150 into 210 is equal to rupees 140. Then the CP of radio is equal to rupees 140. The second question is, two chairs are sold for rupees 396 each. On one, the seller gains 10% and On the other, loss 10%. Find loss or gain in whole. Then a seller sold two chair. Then first chair, the second chair. First chair, second chair. Each rupees 396. Each rupees 396. Then ex seller sold the different two chair for rupees 396 each. First chair selling price 396, second chair selling price 396. Then in one he make a profit 10%, make a profit 10%, and another one make a loss is equal to 10%. Then find out loss or gain in a whole percentage. In a total, the seller may be loss or gain. Find the total loss percentage or gain percentage. Then in first chair, SP 396 and make a profit 10%. Then first of all, we find the CP of first chair and the CP of a second chair. Then CP is equal to, first of all, we know or we calculate the CP of a first chair. CP of first chair. CP is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. 100 plus profit percentage. Then SP, here SP 396 into 100 divided by 1 plus profit is equal to 10. Profit is equal to 10. So it is equal to rupees 360. Rupees 360. Then we calculate the CP. We calculate the CP of a first chair is equal to 360. Then next we calculate the CP of second chair. CP of a second chair. SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. Minus loss percentage. Loss percentage. Then SP 396 into 100 divided by 100 minus 10. Minus 10. Then the CP is equal to rupees 440. Then the CP is equal to 440. We know the CP of first chair and the CP of a second chair. Then the CP of two chair. CP of a two chair. The first is 360 plus second is 440. First is 360, second is 440. 800. Then the CP of two chair is equal to 800. Then next we find the SP of two chair. Find the SP of two chair. Now SP of two chair. Now each selling price of chair is equal to rupees 396. The first chair selling price is 396 plus second chair selling price is 396. Then $792. Then overall, a seller sell two chair. Each chair selling price is 396. First chair sell 396 and make a profit of 10%. Make a profit of 10%. And second chair selling price is 396 and face a loss of 10%. Then we calculate the CP of first chair through this formula, SP into 100 divided by 100 plus profit percentage. Then the CP of a first chair is equal to 360 and CP of a second chair is equal to 440. Then CP of a two chair, CP of a cost price of two chair is equal to 360 plus 440 is equal to rupees 800. Then we find the SP of two chair. Find the SP of two chair. SP of two chair is equal to 396 plus 396 is equal to 792. Then here is SP is lower than the CP, so it is the case of loss. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. Loss is equal to CP minus SP is equal to 800 minus 792. 792 is equal to rupees 8. Then percentage loss 8 divided by CP 800 into 100 into 100 1%. Then in a whole seller face a loss of 1%. Now the next question is, a man sold a piece of a cloth for rupees 80-50 at a loss of 80%. What would have been gain or loss had it is sold for rupees 94.50. Then here SP of cloth is rupees 80 50 paisa, loss 8%. A man sold a piece 80-50 and face a loss of 8%. Then CP is equal to CP of a cloth is equal to SP into 100 divided by 100 minus loss percentage. SP 80-50 into 100 divided by 100 minus 8. Then 80-50 divided by 92. 80-50 divided by 92 is rupees 87.50. Man sold a cloth rupees 850 and face a loss of 80%. Then we find the CP. CP is equal to rupees 87.50 paisa. Then next, if he sell 94.50, it may be gain or loss. So CPG 87.50. If SP is equal to rupees 94.50, then here is the case of a profit. Profit is equal to SP minus CP is equal to 94.50 minus 87.50 is equal to rupees 7. If it sold 94.50, then he may be a profit, he make a profit rupees 7. Then percentage of a profit. Then percentage of profit is equal to profit divided by CP into 100. Profit is equal to 7. CP is 87.50 into 100 into 100 is equal to 80%. Into 8%.